Good morning, Standard 5. I am going to continue Chapter 12, Air and Water. Dear student, in this video I am going to explain you about method for purification of water. In this video I will explain you two main methods. First is chlorination, second is distillation. So let us see the first, chlorination. What do you mean by the term chlorination? The process of adding chlorine to the drinking water. Drinking water to infect it, disinfect it, and kill germs is known as chlorination. So let us know, what do you mean by the process chlorination? The process of adding chlorine. The process of adding chlorine to the drinking water. Drinking water to disinfect it and kill germs. Kill germs is known as chlorination. By this process, we can get pure and germ-free drinking water. This process is being applied in the filter plants. Filter plant which used to supply water to the public area or in the public sector. So, before it is being sent to the particular colony or the sector, first it is chlorinated. Means before it is being sent, it is chlorinated so that any germs present in the water can be killed and person can get germ-free drinking water. So, chlorination is the process to disinfect water and kill germ so that we can get germ-free water. Next is distillation. Next is distillation. Distillation is a method to get pure water from solution by evaporating and then condensing the vapor. Is known as distillation. Let us understand what you mean by the distillation. get pure water. Pure water, what do you understand by the pure water? Pure water means no impurities. Pure water means no impurities, any type of the dissolved gas or any type of the mineral present in the water, known as pure water. From the solution, first by evaporating and then condensing the vapor. The process is known as evaporation. Let us understand the particular method with the help of diagram. For this, take a conical flask. Insert here delivery tube, mouth is being blocked by cork. Dear students, please you pay attention to the diagram. Take a conical flask filled with impure water. Now, with the help of burner or spittle lamp, boil the particular liquid or heat it. As the temperature will increase, water will change to vapor. Water, vapor, and pass through this delivery tube. As the vapor is to pass, due to the condenser, the vapor will condense and form droplet. And this droplet is collected in the form of the pure water or distilled water. Dear students, what we notice, the water converted to change to vapor, and due to the condenser, here is the condenser, apparatus which used to change the vapor to the liquid by cooling it, by condensing it. This is a particular apparatus fit to this particular device known as condenser, in which you see here the outlet through which the water enter, cold water enter, which make the vapor to condense and convert into the water droplet, which further it used to collect in the beaker. So dear student, the water which we get here is pure water. Pure water which do not contain any type of the dissolved gases or any type of the minerals. So let us understand what are the uses, what are the functions of this distilled water, or what are the uses of distilled water. Distilled water is being used in the laboratory, also it is being used in the inverter batteries, also as a medicine it is being used. So it is being mixed with the medicine and given to the patient. So dear student, three main functions of distilled water. First, it is being used in the car batteries. Second, it is being used in the laboratory. And third, it is being used for the medical purposes. So dear student, please you read this two methods of purification of the water and learn it. Thank you dear students.